Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to add a Google bar on your OPPO A15s home screen. Okay, at the very beginning you need to tap and hold on the free area on your home screen and choose widgets. Then scroll right, and here you need to find search widget. Tap and hold this widget and place it on free area on your home screen, and that's all. Thank you for watching. We have added a Google bar to our home screen. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and bye. See you.